And the ghost?
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be making fluffy slime. First, we'll be needing glue. Use this one. Detergent and shaving foam. If you don't have any, then you could use, I don't know. Well, you could come in the video too.
So let's get
That's
started.
Belle, my little cousin. She's only 6 years old.
Yep, and it already been my birthday. Not for when I was probably 3, I probably put the middle finger up.
She did.
Probably when
I'm
I was
gonna
3
use a
or 2
different
or
glue.
1.
Sorry, I'm going to use a different glue. I'm going to pause right now. I put it in. It stinks right now. And then I'm going to put detergent in.
And she's going to put it down.
Mix.
So she's going to mix it now. And then we'll get in the middle spot, change it to slime.
Sorry you guys can't see it. It looks really cool right now. Seriously.
It will be a lot to mix up to do for a while. And then we have to play with it.
No, first we have to put the foamy in. Foam, shaving cream in, and
then we put
mix it.
detergent in.
Okay, I'm going to put my shaving foam in. I'm making this really fluffy, guys. Oh my god. Always have to do that. Oh my god, it's gonna get on my bed! Okay. Sorry, guys.
So, it almost just got on her bed. Because, I don't know. It's just a little too much. She just wants it really fluffy, right?
Yep. Okay, seriously, I love her. I've seen videos of her when her dad and my family were going to Campbell. They were so cute. She was singing Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Stars. She's like, twinkle, twinkle, little stars, how I wonder what you are. Up above the diamond so high. That's what you were singing. Okay, so God, I'm going to play with it. Ew. This feels so gross right now.
Is all we need is, play with it for a while.
Yeah.
It's a little too much fluffy. That's why it gets really stuck, right?
Yeah.
Does it feel really fluffy?
It does.
What the
My light does that every time because sometimes I leave it on. That's why. But I have a lamp on.
Because that one's brighter and making it stick on it.
Okay.
So
Okay,
there's still light, guys. Do
Sorry.
not scream.
Sorry guys, I had to pause that because after we're done we're gonna put detergent in food coloring.
Then it will be cool. I'm gonna just almost do a rainbow, but only 2 colors.
Okay, mine got better. It is better. It's on my bed now.
It's on your bed.
I know. It wouldn't get on my bed now.
How come the other one is fluffy? It looks like.
Okay, I'm gonna pause and go get the food coloring. Bye. Okay, so we only have one color right now. I can't find my other one. There's blue and green.
You paused it.
No, I didn't. Oh my god.
So I'm gonna have blue.
Of course, we have to have blue.
We both have blue.
Yeah, because there's no other colors. Don't use a lot.
Okay.
Yours is small. Here, I'll do it. Okay.
She's just doing mine because mine is just little. Even though I have to touch it.
Supposed to fold it in like this. Okay, while we're doing this, we are gonna pause it by. Okay, we're back, and
So
I
now-
have 2 of my slimes.
So that's one's darker and that one's lighter because that one was food coloring.
Yeah.
And that one was paint.
Comment down below which one you like best, or
Now
comment
we're
down
done.
below what you should name these. There's dark blue and light blue.
And so we're done.
Like and subscribe this video. Thank you so much. Don't forget what to call the slime. You comment down below, please. Bye.